Hi, this is Vijay Kumar. So, in this tutorial, we are going to discussing about JavaScript variables. What is the JavaScript variables, and what is the importance of the JavaScript variables in scripting point of view? So, from JavaScript, so there is a one small idea and one example I want to share with you. So why we can use the variables in JavaScript in application point of view. Let me come to example. Declare a JavaScript declaration statements. So using the tag is called script, which is we can write in instead of the header section or body section, anywhere we can declare. If you want to print any information, there is a input functions is available in JavaScript, that is write and prepare the data. This is our data we want to prepare as a result. Every JavaScript statements compulsory we should declare and call and refer by object is called document object. And run our example and we can see our result statement into body section. The same result statement I want to print multiple times. So repeat the same statements and same information. So just by using a copy and paste. According to our requirement, I want to show the large information, so that is same information I want to repeat in our example, so multiple times. That's why I repeated the same statements and same information. From this example, whatever the result you are expecting, so that is we are expecting the same result here we can see, but in programming point of view or else in search engine point of view. So writing this program and generating the same result multiple times by following this type of procedure, so some issues is available. What is the issues is number one, that is number one is called as so if you want to change any information, so not by following the same data, if you want to change any data, so not only so one single statement, whatever the number of statements we have written, then every statements we have to change. This is a time taking procedure. And next number two, programming size is increasing, so writing the same statements multiple times. Next number three, your file size is increasing, repeating the same data and same statements multiple times. That means 3 KB file is available. In future, if you have a web hosting for your website or application, so if you increase the same code and the same statements instead of the application, so your files is also is getting some more and more in size also. Based on this one, your hosting space is occupying automatically. That's why from this example we can control some problems. What is the problems is nothing but repetition of the statements and repetition of the same results we can control. So without writing multiple times. How to control? So with the help of a topic is called as variables. How? Whatever the statements is available, that statements we should maintain one declaration. So the declarations is called as a variable declarations we can call. According to C language, if you have the knowledge about C language, the C language, so every information we can store in temporarily in a one declaration format, that is called as variables. But in C language there is a different type of variables is available. So that means the integer type, float type, and the string and the boolean and for every type of information we have to declare separate variables. But in JavaScript, any type of information or any type of value we should declare only one common variable declaration, that is starts with a keyword is var keyword. Here var is called as data type name, and after that you have to take one name. That name is called as a variable name. This variable name should contain some value, so that value is called as information. But both value and variable name, which is separated by using a special operator, that operator name is called as the assignment operator, that we can call as equal to. That means here value is nothing but our information. This information we are storing into the location is called variable name. Here variable name is called name of the, so name of the value. But what is the use of a var keyword? This is a predefined keyword in JavaScript point of view. If you want to understand this is a variable declaration, we should compulsory starts with the keyword is var. That means example, it is a body section, it is a header section. Header section means represented by header, and a body section means represented by body. The same thing in JavaScript point of view. Variable declaration we can understand and recognize by using starting with keyword is var. But what are the types of values we can maintain? So the types of values is numeric values, decimal values, string values, boolean values. These number of type of values we can store to our variable declaration. Your numeric values means is nothing but so numbers, that is 1 comma or else 1 2 comma or else 1 2 3 comma. So from beginning starting from single digit to or maintenance so many number of digits. Decimals is nothing but a value so which contain a decimal result, so that is called as a decimal number we can call it. String values means is nothing but either character or word or statement. Everything whatever may be, so a statement or character or word, everything just whatever may be just enclosed by so quotes. So that quotes is called a single quotes or else a double quotes also. That is called string values we can call. Boolean values is nothing but there is a predefined values is available that we can call as a true and false. That means 0, this means 1 in according to JavaScript. These type of values we should so assign to variable as a values if you want to use that values in anywhere. Let me come to one example, easy to understand the practice.